Well, hello, Mr. Parker.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm well.
Great. So we have a subscriber question of the day.
My favorite segment of the day.
I love it too. This question comes from Harrison Cannon.
Thanks, Harrison, for subscribing. What's the question, baby?
Okay, the question is, we board Carnival Sunshine tomorrow.
Okay.
Is there anything we should know about it?
Okay, so get there as early as you possibly can because parking fills up and you don't want those problems. Two, it is a cashless port, so just make sure you bring a debit or a credit card to pay for parking. Bonus tip, tip your porters. And there are not a lot of road signs, so just keep an eye out for road signs as well in the port. And we do have a video out on this. We did a whole review of the Carnival Sunshine, so my wife will drop a link down below so you can go watch that video, and we give a more in-depth question answers on that video.
All right. Well, thank you so much for the answer to the question of the day.
Thank you.
Thank you, Harrison, for being a subscriber and sending in the question.
Absolutely.
And we will see you guys on the next subscriber question of the day.
Nailed it.
Got it. All right, guys. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Siobhan.
And this is Brandon.
And we are
Parker on the go.
Yeah.